Hello and welcome to LifePlan Legal Arizona, the estate planning and elder law firm where we start with your values. I am the founder, Jake Carlson. I also present the free Leaving a Living Legacy, Wills, Trusts, and Eliminating the 8 Failures of Estate Planning seminar. Below you will find additional information and links to secure your seat. We all know that talking about long-term care, estate planning, and preparing for the passing of a loved one can be a difficult conversation. But they are some of the most important conversations we can have because over 58% of Americans are not prepared for the future. If we don't plan for the unexpected, our loved ones will face legal obstacles and unexpected expenses at the very time they are processing and grieving their loss. These are our loved ones, our spouses, our siblings, and ourselves. In this free seminar, we will talk about what you can and should do today. We will give you the steps you should take before someone you love passes or gets sick. We will talk about the 5 essential documents every person needs, the 8 common failures of traditional estate planning, the difference between a will, a living will, and a revocable living trust, and how to pass on your values with your valuables to the next generation. But don't worry, this isn't your traditional boring lecture on estate planning. We will laugh and learn from the mistakes others have made. Plus, there will be plenty of time for questions. I intentionally keep the group small so every question can be asked and we can still wrap up in less than 90 minutes. Below you will find more details, see the upcoming dates, and reserve your spot. Feel free to share this with your friends, family, and neighbors. These seminars are open to the public. Finally, if you have any questions, reach out via email or phone at any time. See you at the seminar.